Okay, everyone. So today we're doing a little bit of a different variation, or a little bit of combination between two exercises, between the bear complex and then also a man maker. So we call it the bear maker. Kind of an oddball name, so most people don't know what it is. I don't know if this is the technical name for it. We kind of took the liberty to name it ourselves. So, what is a bear maker? Put a description on the website. Don't know if it makes any sense, so we're going to take a little video here, watch through it. So it's several different exercises all wrapped into one. Here it is. So you first start off, bar on the ground, take it up, deadlift it, go from a hang clean, clean the bar up. From here, in the bar, or have the bar in the frontal rack, in the frontal plane, step out, lunge, left foot, step out, lunge, right foot. From here, widen the feet out, full thruster, full squat, drive over, extend, bar over top, bring the bar to your back rack or to your shoulders. From here, lunge out left leg, lunge out right leg, full squat, drive out, press over top, return bar to the front. That whole sequence is one rep. Okay, so for the first sets, you're going to go in descending order, starting from 7. You work your way down, completing pull-ups in between. Rule for this is you're completing that entire sequence. However, you are not allowed to put the bar on the ground until you complete the entire set. So for the first one, for 7, you have to do that 7 times before the bar is allowed to touch the ground. If the bar touches, if you set the bar down, if you drop the bar, whatever you do, if it touches before you finish that sequence for that set round, you must start over. Okay? So remember, it's hang clean, lunge, lunge, full thruster, drive over top, lunge, lunge, full squat, thruster from the back, bar comes to the front. That is one rep. All right? If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully this helps answer. Thank you.